In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the issue of your Tesla radio not working in your Model Y, Model S, or other Tesla models, especially if you're experiencing a radio error after a software update. If your radio or media system isn't functioning properly, here's what you can do to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Start by restarting the car's systems. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds to reset the touchscreen and control systems. After the reset, test the radio again to see if it starts working. If the issue persists, check for any pending software updates. Go to Controls, Software. Check for updates and install any available updates. Sometimes, bugs introduced in a recent update are resolved in subsequent patches. Next, inspect the audio settings to ensure the radio is properly configured. Go to Controls, Media, and verify that the radio source is selected and the volume is turned up. If you're using Sirius XM or an FM/AM station, ensure your subscription, if required, is active and up to date. For situations where the radio still doesn't work, try resetting the media system specifically. Go to Controls, Software, Reset Media System, and confirm the action. This will restart only the media-related components without affecting other settings. If none of these steps resolve the issue, there may be a deeper problem with the car's audio hardware, antenna, or wiring. In this case, contact Tesla service or schedule a service appointment to diagnose and repair the problem. If this video helped you fix your Tesla radio not working issue, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.